Git is a version control system that tracks the history of changes made to text files over time. Because Salto stores your business platform configuration as text files, Salto can leverage Git to track all the changes made to your business platform over time. Whenever a deployment is prepared in Salto, Salto creates new branches in the Git repository. If any updates are made to the staged deployment, those changes are committed and pushed to the corresponding branch automatically. Once the deployment is validated and deployed, the branch is merged up to the main history of the target environment. To connect your environment to a Git repository, navigate to Settings, Version Control, click into Git Connection, and follow the instructions to connect your Git provider and repository. Once that is complete, select the Git branch that will track the history of this environment. In the version control view of your Salto environment, you can see the Git history of that environment. Each entry in the history represents a deployment or a sync. If any differences exist between what is stored in Salto and what is stored in Git, you will be notified here and provided an opportunity to synchronize the Git repository with the Salto state. Because these entries are Git commits, you can provide a message with each one to describe the changes contained within that deployment. Once an entry is committed and pushed, you can click through it to view the exact contents of the change in the Git provider. While the understanding of Git is important to understanding Salto's functionality, you won't actually need to execute any Git commands yourself. Salto will manage all of the branching, committing, pushing, and merging for you. If necessary or desired, you still have full control over your Git repository, and you can perform any manual operations you like, but that should be a rare exception rather than a rule.